Okay, guys, welcome to the Teen Debaters Daily Debate. Today's topic is deepfake technology should be banned entirely. In the proposition, we have Pari and Jaikrit, while in the opposition, we have Manohar. And yep, the proposition, you have 5 minutes to speak. Do you need a self count or like what?
I'll do the self count.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll be starting in three, two, one. This house is for the motion that deepfake technology should be banned entirely. Imagine a world where your face is used to commit a crime. Say something you never said or appear in a video you were never in without your knowledge or consent. But you don't need to imagine anymore. Deepfake technology is a ticking time bomb. You know the old saying, I'll believe it when I see it? Well, too bad. Welcome to 2025, where even your own eyes can lie to you. In a world already flooded with misinformation, deepfake videos can make truth even harder to find. They can fabricate politicians declaring war, activists making racist comments.
EOI.
My mic is on.
20 seconds are
EO.
remaining. Continue, delegate. I mean, speaker.
Sorry.
Sorry. They can fabricate politicians declaring war, activists making racist comments, or news anchors spreading false information. The consequences are not hypothetical, they are very, very real. Deepfakes have been used to sway public opinion, undermine elections, and incite violence. But yeah, let's keep them around for the occasional funny meme, right? If we lose our shared sense of truth, we lose the foundation of democracy itself. It is not just about individual lies, it is about the collapse of reality as we know it. Beyond politics and propaganda, the most widespread use of deepfakes is even more horrifying than and
EOI.
non-consensual photography. Yes.
So, in this technology driven world, if you ban this very initial or very crucial type of tool, wouldn't you think that this will stop the development of the world?
Are you saying that a tool that can be used for creating pornography, for even children, that is, and if you ban that, it is stopping development? Yeah, I
In
mean, sure,
today's
you can say that. Let me
21st,
complete, right? You asked me the question? Right.
yes, please.
What development is this AI doing? If this AI is doing any development, is it worth it if pornography is getting out there? It could be harmful to millions of people out there because politicians could be deepfaked, and you know how bad it could be. For example, Trump gets deepfaked and he declares war on Russia. What do you think is going to happen then? Wouldn't don't you think that could be the start of World War III? Are you willing to
Fo-
risk that? Are you willing to risk that for one history lecture or like creating a deepfake of a celebrity?
Follow up. Everything has a
Granted.
flaw, and yes, everything has a good and bad it itself, right? Mobile, when you are using technology as a mobile, it has its flaws, it has its good thing, right? But you didn't stop using it. If you intentionally focus on just one thing and concentrating on one thing, that this is pornography it is creating, and you just
Please
and
ask
your
your
whole
POI.
speech. Yes, I'm telling that only. Your whole speech is on that. Literally, your whole speech is on that one word that it is creating this, right? Why aren't you focusing on the good things about it, right? In this technology driven world where all the world is driven by technology, where countries are trying to conquer the world of technology, where all the power holds in the hands of Western world.
That's my
Now,
Manahar,
question.
Asian,
Manahar,
yes,
I
yes,
believe
yes,
she has
just wrapping
understand
it
your
up,
question.
just giving a
Pari, please
context.
go and
Right.
answer.
Right,
Right.
just giving a
Saying
concept now when Asian part of the world is trying to develop itself, trying to prepare a tool, trying to prepare a powerful tool. Now you are trying that ban it. Now
Manahar,
you are trying to
Manahar,
ban it.
Manahar,
Now what do
Manahar.
you mean that all the
Manahar,
power should be
please.
concentrated in Western world? That's my question.
Okay.
do
The
you
whole,
want me to answer your question or do you want to keep going?
yes, no, please, it's your choice, it's your speech, it's your
Right.
speech. Yeah.
Right. I hope you get that. You
Yes.
asked me whether why am I only focusing on the bad? I don't
Yeah.
think you're understanding the gravity of the situation. How bad is the bad part of it? I mean, sure, you could consider phones as good and bad, but is a phone or you using Instagram, scrolling on reels and create and like seeing memes, creating child pornography? Is it creating deepfakes of politicians? Is it creating deepfakes of politicians that could create war? I mean, if a video of like if a video like that of you got out there, I mean, wouldn't you be enraged? Can I continue with my speech?
Yeah, go ahead.
Now it's your
If
time.
we lose our shared sense of truth, we lose the foundation of democracy itself. It is not just about individual lies, it is about the collapse of reality as we know it. Beyond politics and propaganda, the most widespread use of deepfakes is even more
Beyond.
horrifying. Non
Not granted. Continue.
non consensual pornography. I'm sure my opposition would be enraged if such videos were to be made of them. So, why put others in danger? According to a 2023 report by Sensity AI, over 96% of deepfakes online are pornographic, and the vast majority involve women who never ever gave consent. So the
Beyond.
opposition,
Not granted. She is in the last minute. Continue, delegate.
I'm on my last minute. So the opposition isn't just advocating the spreading of propaganda that might harm millions of people through war, but also endorsing the idea of invading the privacy of a minority already facing challenges of how their gender is perceived. Feminism who? Consent where? Too much to ask for chivalry in the age of AI? Okay. We are losing our money, trust, and personal security to AI, and we still glorify it. Why? Because it saves you 3 hours in After Effects, because you can filter TikTok went viral. Groundbreaking. There is no justification for keeping a technology that enables this kind of harm at such a scale, especially when it is available to literally anyone with Wi Fi and a grudge. But regulation is not enough because if laws help protect the privacy of others, child pornography through deepfakes might not be as prevalent as it is today. Yes, you heard me
Conclude.
right. We're talking about AI generated child explosive content. Still feeling optimistic about responsible innovation? Because at the end of the day, isn't it more efficient to ban a harmful tool than build an entire global system trying to clean it up the mess? Or what? Do we wait until your face shows up
Conclude.
in one of these videos too?
Very
That is
conclude. Yeah. Okay. Works. Good speech, Manohar. You have 5 minutes to speak. Do you need a self count?
No,
Or
I'll do it
yeah.
myself. So starting on a self count of 3 to 1. So the proposition, giving the whole speech on one word and giving no solutions with just allegations and just moral interpretations is just very unconvincing and very theoretical, very utopical to dream of. Right now, coming straight to the point, the banning of deepfake technology is very controversial and sarcastic, right? Because first the very people say that we should develop in the field of technology. Now when we have achieved a certain milestone in that area, those very same people are saying to ban it or criminalize it, right? That is very basic. There is a very basic difference that these people have to understand, that there is a difference between criminalizing the tool and criminalizing the intention. These people often mix those very different terms, right? Where the answer should be, we should ban the bad intentions instead of banning the tool itself, right? Because in this AI driven world dominated by the century of AI, banning a very useful tool like this would be a total joke, as each and every nation in the world is competing for dominance in the field of technology. Secondly, before development of these tools, the whole power was in the hand of European, of the Western people, because they were the most developed. And now when we Asians and other parts of the world are now developing, now those very same people are saying to ban the very useful tool because they want the whole power to remain in the hands of those people who were, yeah, who were previously doing monarchy or ruling all over the world,
Yo,
right?
I
Uh,
can I,
no,
I
I don't accept it, right?
no, you
Because
can't do that. You can do that. You
I
can do
don't
that.
He
accept
can.
it. It's my time.
He
I don't accept
he
it.
can accept
Right?
the POI.
Part of, but I won't. And again,
I mean,
giving
yeah. Sorry.
yeah.
Yeah. Continue.
And in
Continue.
this
My bad.
century, everything is online, and we cannot fight with hands. Like, if just imagine if someone is living in Asia and he or she is writing something in social media, and if someone is living in USA, he can slap it, and this slap can transfer, right? Not practically possible, right? We should compete with the technology, right? Because अगर किसी ने एक कुछ गलत बोल दिया, he won't book a flight to the US and then go to the person's house and then tell him, right? Everything is driven by technology. It's not practically possible to ban a tool or ban the technology, right? And lastly, most importantly, to ban the technology, it is impossible, because every part of the world, be it smallest, be it biggest, everyone has access to technology. From a small bedroom to a multinational company, everyone has the access to the tools, everyone has the access to technology. It is not practically possible to ban it, right? Because if you ban from one world, 10 others will stand up and say, we have the technology, we can progress, right? It is not practically possible. Yes, now my time is not over. That was my speech. POI पूछो कोई भी. How much
POI.
time is left? How much time is left?
There's still over a minute, like 2 minutes.
POI.
You can ask POIs.
POI. Thank you. Can you name a single country where regulation has successfully controlled a deepfake misuse?
See, you have to understand, we are in the phase of development, right? Every country has a flaw and has its good thing, right? Nothing is very dreamed of it, everything is perfect, right? Now every country has its bad things too, right? But it's just that developed countries have better things, right? America is very regulated, right? But there's no record that there is zero criminalization of these things, right?
But
Because
that wasn't my question.
just let me complete. It's also a developed nation, right? But we can't entirely say कि उसमें ऐसा कुछ गलत नहीं हो रहा है. ठीक है, if there is a thing existing, उसमें गलत भी हो रहा है, सही भी हो रहा है. ठीक है, so now your whole question is wrong, right? कि name one country where everything is perfect. There is no country where everything is perfect. So the question is wrong. Next question.
I think you misheard me. Let me repeat. Can you name a single country where regulation is successfully controlled, not abolished?
Controlled.
Controlled.
All the developed countries, be it America, all the European countries, America, France, UK, all these countries, regulations are very well implemented and are being followed. And if they are not, then people are being jailed or they are being क्या बोलते हैं? Fined.
So is
Yes.
that why
Yeah,
96%?
time over, guys. Great speeches. Okay. Jaikrit, what just happened? Hello, am I audible, right? Hello?
Yeah, you're
Yes.
audible.
Yeah, okay. Okay, never mind. Jaikrit, you have 3 minutes. Do you need a self count?
No, yeah, okay.
Okay. You will be starting in 3, 2, 1.
The opposition today tried very hard to make deepfakes sound useful or harmless. But let's break down why none of their points hold up in the real world. First, they said deepfakes are great for creativity, movies, and education. That sounds nice until you realize this is just 1% of the goddamn use, while the other 99% is already being used for goddamn lies, abuse, and manipulation.
Point
We
of further
don't.
privilege. Using this offensive word, I guess I have a question, that is it allowed in the committee, like using these offensive
Yes.
words, because it's offending me a lot.
Yeah,
Yes. So is
I
it
I
allowed?
was gonna inform the speaker, but yeah, I'm glad that you did it.
Yes,
Like,
thank you.
great, please don't do that, or next time onwards, your marks would be like what? Cut up, I guess, yeah, reduced. And I believe you should start again.
Way from the beginning.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. The opposition tried very hard to make deepfakes sound useful or harmless. But let's break down why none of their points hold up in the real world. First, they said deepfakes are great for creativity, movies, and education. That sounds nice until you realize that this is 1% of the use, while the other 99% is already being used for lies, abuse, and manipulation. We don't need deepfakes for films. We already have CGI, actors, animations, and editing tools. And when it comes to education, deepfakes don't even teach truth. They twist it. There are safer and smarter ways to make learning fun without opening the door to mass misinformation. Next, they argued that regulation is enough, that we don't need a full ban. But let's be honest, You cannot regulate the entire internet. Deep fakes are spreading on private servers, encrypting apps, dark web platforms, places where no regulation will reach fast enough. By the time the law catches up, the damage is done. The victim's face is already viral. Their dignity is already destroyed. You can't regulate a wildfire, yeah. You stop it at the source. They also claim that banning it would hurt innovation. But let's think clearly. Some innovations are just not worth it. You wouldn't allow a weapon that looks like a toy just because it's interesting. Deepfakes are not neutral tools, they are designed to mimic and deceive. It's not just about misuse. It's about what the tool itself is made for. And when something is built on deception, it needs to go. And I'll ask you one question: do we abandon laws against child pornography or cybercrime because they're hard to enforce, or or can you name a single country where regulation has successfully controlled deepfake misuse? And 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 also and lastly, they said banning deepfakes won't stop criminals. True, but banning makes it harder. Right now, the tools to make deepfakes are online and free. A full ban would cut off access, make distribution risky, and send a clear message that society does not tolerate this kind of harm. So, no, deepfakes aren't creative miracles, they're digital lies. And we don't need more lies in a world already full of misinformation. That's why we stand strong. Ban it entirely. Thank you.
Yeah, we just have now like 2 minutes left. I'll just like what share you guys another link right now. I would be ending this meeting. You guys can join that link right now. It would be shared both on Zoom and WhatsApp. So yeah, I'm just ending the meeting
Oh
right now.
वेट
Yeah.
मुझे 2:30 पे ज्वाइन करना था बट इट्स 2:39 सो आई हैव टू लीव या मतलब कैसे करूँ अभी मैं अपनी क्लोजिंग स्पीच दे दूं या क्या करूँ
हाँ बस
बिकॉज
3 ही
अभी मैं
मिनट की है ना, रुक जाओ मैं ना अभी जस्ट 1 ही मिनट में लाइक लिंक सेंड करता हूँ, आप बस ज्वाइन कर लो, स्पीच दे दो एंड इट्स ओवर।
ठीक है ओके फाइन